Hi, any surgical guide cases we share with you for approval can be found in the Shared Cases section. Please click on Shared Cases, and then click on the specific case to open it. Once the case is open, you can explore the different options available. To view or hide the CBCT scans, simply click the bone icon button. The view in all four windows can be adjusted. Please click on the model icon to display the simple model aligned with the CBCT scans. Next, click on the Wax Up icon to view the Wax Up model aligned with the CBCT and simple scan. To unlock the implant placement, click on the lock icon. Once unlocked, you will be able to adjust the implant position based on bone availability. By clicking on this icon, you can adjust the width of the implant, either reducing or increasing it as needed. The next icon allows you to adjust the length of the implant, enabling you to set it according to the specific requirements of the situation. You can view the sleeve selection as either fully guided or pilot sleeve, and you may request a change if needed. After adjusting the implant and reviewing the sleeve selection, please click the lock icon, then the implant icon, and finally click Yes to approve the final implant position. Now click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner, and the message section will open. Please write an approval message for our confirmation and include any special instructions related to the case. Click on the three-dot icon again to close the message section. To finalize and close the case, click on the cross icon and then the Yes icon to save all changes. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.